you, Butcher, to Embark 1371. Yes, indeed, it is not common to have butchers on board ships. But if these ships are mini cruise, if these ships are 67,000 ton big, they have up to 1,000 passengers, we need to have a butcher. So there are 55 passenger ships, like hotels. This is huge, between Barcelona, Valencia to Italy. Therefore, we need one butcher per ship. Therefore, if that is 55, so we need 110. And all must be European nationality because the ship is Italian flag. We don't need English language, and we need the Codice Fiscale. This is the number that it is going to be required for you to be employed directly by the ship owner. Apply urgently. You need to have the seaman book. There is going to be a queue because we know that the butcher is one of these professions that is disappearing in the small shops. The taxes in Europe are eliminating the small businesses. So if you are thinking in reallocating into a new job and you have this experience as butcher, hurry and get this seaman book. We know in Northern Europe you can get this basic training, basic safety and the firefighting for 400 euros in 3 days. And so in the south of Europe, here in Spain, is 3 courses and 1,700 euros. There's 3 different queues and it's bureaucratic. So if you are up north, you have a huge competitive advantage. It must be European, and there is going to be about 140 crew members plus passengers, as I mentioned. Now in the winter season it is lower, but now soon Christmas is a huge opportunity to get this job, this position. And thank you very much indeed for your time. Bye. Grazie. Arrivederci.